Let's talk about base 10 blocks. So base 10 blocks are something that your child has probably used in school, and we use base 10 blocks to represent numbers, to make numbers more visual so that we can see them and understand them better. So these are base 10 blocks that your child has probably worked with in school. We have the large squares, which represent 100, and these ones, which represent 10, and these ones that represent 1. So what we do with base 10s is we can build numbers. So for example, you might ask your child to build 123. And he could build that like this. So with 100 block, 2 10s, and 3 1s. So this helps the number 123 become more visual so that he can actually see it and understand the magnitude of that number. Now, you probably don't have a set of base 10 blocks at home, so if you're interested in helping your child build numbers at home, I came up with just a really easy DIY solution. So I took some paper drinking straws and cut them up, and these little pieces can represent 1. These longer ones can represent 10, and then I just took a piece of cardstock paper and made it into a 100 block. Now, obviously, next time I would probably use a ruler because my lines are not super straight, but it doesn't really matter as long as your child knows that this represents 100, this represents 10, and this represents 1. So I'm going to be doing a few base 10 videos for students in the next few days, so keep an eye out for them. I just wanted to let you know about this DIY solution so that if you are interested in helping your child build some numbers over the next few weeks, you can easily make these with items that you already have around your house. All right, check back soon for the base 10 student videos. Thanks so much.